Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this paper bird. No, it's not a bird, it's a crane. How to make this paper crane. Okay, let's start. So to make a paper crane, first we need to take a piece of paper which is rectangular in shape. But the crane would not be made with a rectangular piece of paper, so we need to cut and make it a square. So to make it a square, first we need to hold one corner of the paper. We need to see that the corner is sharp enough. So now we will bring this corner here and touch it with the base and make a fold. After we have made the fold, now we have to make another fold out here. So when we will cut this piece out and open it, it will become a square. So I am using scissors to cut this. So you can see I have made my square ready. So now again we will make another fold like that, what I have made earlier. So it's done. Now we need to make another fold out here. We'll do the same fold so that they look alike and have a good fold, because if we fold on both the sides, then it will make a good fold, which will help, because this two fold which we are making would be very important while making the whole crane. So you need to keep in mind that while we are making a crane, always make these first folds 2 times, so that when we are making all the other folds, it will help us very much. Okay, so it's done. So let me now start. Okay, this is known as the elementary fold, which is always the fold which I made now is known as the elementary fold, which is very important while making all origami. So now it's a little bit complex, so watch it very thoroughly, or else it would be very harmful for you while making this crane. So finally our crane is ready. As you can see, it's all the edges I made sharper, so it's ready. My crane ready, so now it's time to decorate. So in my last video in which I made the boat, if you have not seen it, you can see the link is given. So I have used this pool which I have made, and I've shown how to make this in my last video. You can see that there. So I will put my two crane on this water and make and decorate it. So now you can see. So thanks for watching this video. If you like my way of making this crane, you please like, share, subscribe, and give a thumbs up to this video, and hit the bell icon to see my videos at the first. Thank you guys.